who there on my table right now? No, meeting send me there. Journalist be a BBC. Oh yeah, Dennis Marcos about the presidential staff for questions. Be oh them you know what baby worker there? Journalist, that's an NDC journalist because it looks like they're part trapping. But the way Dennis Marcos about this answer questions, it tells you there on the tactics of politics within Ghana. That is why Dr. Mahmoud Bamia definitely chose him to be part of the campaign team from here for Butuma from Ekoska. Yebe Boshe Obia or very young. And so to know tactically to answer certain questions. There we are in China comment section.
Be our person dinner dear. And clearly, our party says Dr. Mahmoud Baumiana able to make dinner dear. And I'm saying we're just legacies. John Dramani Mahama says yes, yes, and another I say or no JD been team be dinner dear. And I'm saying another money dear. Ketase Shankwa. Yeah, and Yonko for any abusian for a memu. Yeah, a memua. Oh, who knows so. Kyerɛ sɛ watete apa wasɛe no sɛ pɔtɔ nti ɔmba mbɛdi saa nneɛma bi sei ade na ɔno ɔba abɛyɛ na wayɛ ne yie nti aba ne saa na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no boss akasa na JDM nso ato wei di ato mu no sɛn na ɛte de ma mo.
Well, I mean, one of the reasons why I say former President Mahama or Kasasi Ayana to say Ghana for can once and I'm gonna find the serious. I'm gonna find the serious because what to say I say Nana Danko Kufana bribe. What will be that?
Allegations of bribery there
What
yate.
to say Nana Danko Kufana bribe? I'm back I say Kufana bribe.
And I may say allegations na yete ba say what there.
Mami allegation back.
Okay, allegation no cry there. Unze mbedi ade afoforo no cry no. No she dan bi mu obi de brown blue bi kokoma no na na amafo keka. There be sabre na onyambe yo mampeni.
Simple question. A very specific question. Nanado on mampeni, what is our bribe da?
And obey your mampeni ne de yente say waje bribe.
John Mahama, His Excellency. Or your mampeni no. On one attorney general, I'll be a special prosecutor. Say serious fraud office for investigation on UK about planes beer. A buying air quackota UK for any Embraer company now motor plane no Airbus for company that on the plane no I did two some more bribe no former President Mahama or no and the government official one now reported the bond ABM former President Mahama or no pay and on no any attorney general because say I'm not no attorney general no president not so President Mills investigate on one vice president for corruption issues. ABM former President Mahama Pe and your Mampenia is on record to have taken bribe from a contractor or they car bribe from a contractor for a Juma Yadiama contractor. No. In fact, he hasn't denied it. Nemo the can say Yade car the man no one for car and condition more than a car a buying cars and but at least it is on record say contractor will want a contractor with the car one for whatever reason.
But Dennis
I am saying that forget it. Forget it. Abide me, no, they forget it. Corruption allegations are among appointees and other institutions are end up being then I see no former President Mahama or no any appointee must work. He has been jailed. And the end of the case, forget you know. Individuals nankasana ye come wasem no. Mpinimfo nankasa no. Omo nyina no omo miensa no. Mahama, Nanado, and Bawumia. Mahama is the only leader in this country. You bet me the SAC he is involved in corruption and corruption related matters. If you all know Bejiraho, now Okase, a for ya, Ghana doesn't even take him serious. And in fact, on one Kasa no can remember now, a friend is a campaign or Yanokano, or Kasa as on yes serious. Because so you're serious, and corruption is the last thing that will be as a person. Because on no pay, and on your mampenia, or some judges, I want my way, judges who. I want my woman to be on my car. I said, I buy no, I had your mama not buying no. Almost create system no, not almost loot system no. No move ya on my check. They create, loot, and share. This was from a judge under his presidency. He has no moral basis, no right. Then now can make corruption be the because you can corruption power my remove. Forget the appointees. Ono ankasa no is corrupt, and it's on record to have received bribe from a contractor.
But Dennis, I want to maybe say number one, the awoka your friend say ne attorney general Babeka no you ram atina midu beka yi. Eno no ora matina midu na mu no okwa appear before the appointment committee when Timmy improving the case. Number two, bribe Ford dear woka ho asemi. Ford there was a Shrad reporter. Actually say enya bribe no je ye na mum oyo mampenye no na nanka morally na ethically no na ntisa kokoje se ka no edifri eye kana zo insem. It is not to be described as a bribery.
Na Mark, corruption no enye moral, a lot of them are they not based on morality. Corruption, a lot of corruption related issues no is not based on morality. It's yet to be corruption, yet to be immorality. The immorality film there, we didn't pardon Ghana or Ben and Tifria, we didn't get some of corrupt. Why do we have issues of conflict of interest as part of our corruption? If anything, issues. And you can justify it, you can explain it away, but it doesn't change the fact that he is the only president this country has seen since 1992. Personally, he's been meddled one way.
2024 Medicaid, we are there. So, once it's on ways to pass, I mean, 2024 EMFA. Now, the idea make a choice EMFA. When it comes to communication, we are very smart, we are very intelligent, but communication goes beyond the Wankasa as the National Communications Director of the NDC coming to sit on TV and radio. What are fans? Communication, and yes, see Ronaldo communication in here. It is your ability to hold conversations. Now, for more than 10 years, 12 years, and then we prove every election be a year MPP in a leading conversation. Whether NDC is in government or NDC is in opposition, the MPP is the one that leads conversation. And something you see, very quick one. So we will abandon or communication strategy should be different from opposition. Some of you free consultation. Free consultation. Over abandon and I'm saying when you the public person into no. You don't attack, you become reactionary. If so opposition attack, so you react to your opposition here. Never munya kwan be ye opposition. Now person to me, you don't become reactive. And a conversation you're having in this country, or MPP no leader, and NDC reactive. Yanko back near Shadia in 2012. 2012 election, Yanko MPP in the leading conversation. And then Yabusa Akola, Yawon and Nakura said, Yanko 2012 election, conversation by the conversation by the conversation by the free SHS. Obusa Akola, Yawon and say, conversation by the 2012 election. MPP conversation they call free SHS meboa. But I no currently better because not that time mu abemu and MPP beji to me. So MPP will set the tone, and when they set the tone, the government is supposed to react. It will be you set a free SHS conversation. Now when John Dramani Mahama waba and free SHS is possible. Free SHS is progressive. Some of you were reacting. NDC was reacting to free SHS. Fast forward to 2016. The same thing, 2016. Yankwa Dr. Muhammad Bawumia, Kenyo. How he led the 2016 conversation, and at the same time, John Dramani Mahama was reactive. The NDC,
the treasury bill rates have only been reduced from 24.7% in aggregate to 23%. That is a reduction of only 1.7 percentage points. This development means that it has become virtually impossible for businesses to borrow in the financial sector to grow and produce more. Government has today become the biggest competitor to private business.
Now, in 2016, yeah, election, no conversation by general or Mike no honor. Quick one. Conversation by the 2016 election. Over to your free SHS. Over to your 1D, 1F. Over to your 1 village, 1 down. Over to your 1 district, 1 factory. These were the conversations that you call a 2016 election. So in 2012, MPP led the conversation. NDC was reacting.
That's good.
But I don't know who are being what. That is how it becomes. You become a reactive government instead of being proactive. It's normal. Normal. Because opposition, you man say baby, or beg get it at your neck. No one and abide you are in the defensive position. When it comes to a diplomatic, public conversation, strategic communication, here. Now, fast forward to 2020. When NDC is in opposition and is supposed to lead a conversation, Sammy Gyamfi, you are still in a panic reaction mode. Can you? And then we know as a conversation by the 2020 election. Even when Akufo-Addo had come to power, and 2020 election, no one free SHS, whether it was junk, the MPP could manage. The MPP could manage. Such a mobile election with a free SHS conversation. It will be okay, Bibia Okroma, free SHS, okay, Bibia Okroma, free SHS. 2020, yes, I had the free SHS in the core conversation. Sammy Gyamfi wasn't doing it. And it's not about being a zero now, the Debiano Jirajin a microphone, a camera, and you are my brother, it's a fact. But you need to be told the truth. Now you do 2024, your core election. Many workers say the tone of the election today, you break the 8, non-break the 8. Break the 8, non-break the 8. That is the conversation we are having. Meboa. Say ya Meboa. What is your mama in the policy be? What is the NDC policy be? Is the NDC leading the conversation?
Not. Communication
is not by junk communication. By reactive communication. Communication. I think you need to go back to the drawing board. This is a free consultation. You are supposed to lead the conversation. You are not leading. You are not directing the energy of the youth properly. And I said, your young man be actually your friend be narcotizing the effect of information communication technology. The narcotizing effect of information technology. Young man now who numbers than actually some ranche and maba way as what director of attention and what director of attention wrongly, direct attention wrongly, and I'm going to show you why if you Sammy Gyamfi, if you George Opayado, you do not stand up to the occasion. This young man sitting in America, he will direct the attention of your youth wrongly, and you will lose.
Exactly.
You will lose. I'm telling you, you will lose. 2024, hey, I never wanted to campaign for my MPP. But the direction a young man no acco any other, I'm telling you, boy, you never kiss him. And you be 2016, you beat him. Second one, you beat him, you did to charm and coy. Or you make out as it, sir. Second one, you beat him 2016 and coy. And I saw her, you said you should know. Ya buying food, a hinting at the same casa.